Hello everyone. My research is about the instructional approaches and methods by mathematics teachers of the public elementary schools in the District of Rosario, Cavite. Okay, the author. So yours truly, Richard C. Pinto from Silangan Elementary School, Teacher 1. The ultimate success of classroom instruction mainly depends on what happened in the classroom. The teacher's creativeness in teaching will spell the difference between success and failure in her teaching. Despite the effort exerted by the teachers to improve academic performance of the pupils in the subject mentioned, still most of the pupils find the subject difficult. This is the reason why this study was conducted. This study tried to find out what instructional approaches and methods are used by the mathematics teachers of the public elementary schools in the District of Rosario, Cavite, and how effective are they in the area studied. Especially, the following problems were studied. 1. What instructional approaches and methods are used by the mathematics teachers of the public elementary schools in the District of Rosario, Cavite, as perceived by themselves and their pupils? 2. How effective are these instructional approaches and methods in the following areas? 1. Increase interest in mathematics. 2. Help pupils in their learning difficulties in mathematics. 3. Improvement of grades in mathematics. And 4. Enhanced participation in mathematics-related activities. And what are the difficulties encountered by the pupils in mathematics as perceived by themselves and their teachers? For the research design, the study used the descriptive method of research, whose main purpose is to gather information and to describe the nature of existing situation. This is used by the researcher to determine the approaches and methods used in teaching mathematics and the difficulties encountered in mathematics by the pupils. Since descriptive research is a general procedure that describes the nature of a situation as it exists at the time of the study and explores the course of a particular phenomenon, then it is suited for this study. It is used to discover facts on which judgment could be based. It describes records, analysis, and interprets what is. It is also used in different fields of study because of its capability to solve various kinds of problems. For the population sample, the respondents of the study are the elementary mathematics teachers and grade 6 pupils in the District of Rosario. For the instrumentation, A. Questionnaire. The questionnaire is composed of teacher's profile and questions related to the topic such as approaches and methods used in teaching consisting of collaborative, constructivist, integrative, inquiry-based, and reflective approach, lecture, discovery, puzzle-solving method or jigsaw, pair teaching, and localized video or multimedia presentation. The difficulties encountered in teaching such as solving word problems, computations involving fraction, area, surface area, and volume. Language comprehension impairment, counting speed is slower than in other learners, memory problems, and omission of digits and numerals. B. Interview. The researcher conducted informal interviews which the teachers and pupils during the conduct of the study to gather additional information regarding the problems of the study to solicit enough data to be used in the study. And last one, letter C, observation. The researcher was also given a chance to observe mathematics classes in the public school where he is currently teaching to gather additional information. Based on the findings, the following conclusions were made. 1. The teacher said that they always use lecture methods, puzzle-solving method or jigsaw, localized video, or multimedia presentation. The pupils said that their teachers always use collaborative approach, lecture method, and puzzle-solving method or jigsaw. In terms of increased interest in mathematics, The use of localized video or multimedia presentation, collaborative approach, puzzle-solving method or jigsaw, and lecture method are highly effective. The use of localized video, multimedia presentation, collaborative approach, and puzzle-solving method or jigsaw are highly effective in helping pupils in their learning difficulties in mathematics. Localized video multimedia presentation is highly effective for the improvement of grades in mathematics as well as puzzle solving method or jigsaw and collaborative approach. In enhancing participation in mathematics-related activities, localized video or multimedia presentation, puzzle solving or jigsaw and collaborative approach are highly effective. The teachers perceive that the difficulties encountered in mathematics by the pupils are solving word problems, language comprehension impairment, and computation involving fraction, area, surface area, and volume. The pupils perceive that computation involving fraction, area, surface area, and volume is always a difficulty for them. For my recommendation, based on the conclusion of the study, the following recommendations were made. 1. That action plan prepared and proposed by this study be submitted to the school heads and the public elementary schools in the District of Rosario, Cavite for the possible implementation for further improve the interest of pupils in mathematics and improve their performance. Further studies can be done on the use of localized video multimedia presentation to find out how they can be fully maximized by the mathematics teachers. Okay, that's all. Thank you and mabuhay.